Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials, Vscode updated and your project folder open. Once done, you install the live server extension from the extensions pane and reload the window. This registers the command. Make sure an index, HTML or entry file is present at the project root. Live server serves a file path, not a workspace root implicitly. If your file sits in a subfolder, note that path now. This step ensures the server command and file mapping are in place before you run. Next, you launch the server. Right-click the specific HTML file and select Open with Live Server, or click Go Live in the Vscode status bar. Either way targets the active file. Once done, confirm the correct workspace folder is active if you have multiple folders. Otherwise, the server may serve a different file. Check the displayed port and default browser. Live Server picks a free port, so note it. This gives you a predictable URL to visit and keeps your workflow focused. To finish, save your HTML and CSS files and watch the browser auto-reload. Use DevTools to confirm the served resources and console errors. Make adjustments in Live Server settings, set a custom route, fixed port, or preferred browser so the behavior matches your project. If things go wrong, stop the server, set an explicit port in settings, and restart. Also check firewall rules and host binding, 0, 0, 0, 0 versus localhost. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.